Okay, fine. All
So
right.
we are currently testing Ring doorbell sounds that our dog will not bark at. Harry, what do you got, Sarah? Okay, do not use that one. That's it. Okay. Logan, stop. Logan.
You don't like that one? No?
Relax.
Wow.
I think you just wound up now.
I think he is.
Hey, listen. Do the cat one. Logan, shh. Listen. Shh.
There we go.
Do the dogs. Do a non-ding dong one. That's it.
Maybe.
I think that's it. He yawned. Do it again. Do it again. Anything of that doggy.
Now I think we're just getting him used to it. Oh, man. No.
Yeah, no, thank you.
I don't want to listen to that.
The only time people come to our house is the UPS guys and the FedEx guys.
Yeah, I know. Well, I need to know when they come.
Okay. That's it, right there. He's not moving. Okay. Clearly not that one.
Not Westminster. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll find something.
This has been another edition of Ring Doorbell with Sarah and Logan.